What's up, guys? Here is a way to always win and build a boat for treasure. So first you're gonna join it. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna, if you have these, just go here, and then you're gonna place five like this, and then you're gonna need this also. And then you're gonna flip it so it could be like on its like this. And you're gonna stand on it. Wait, no, I don't want to launch. And then you're not supposed to use this material as the thing. Don't use that material. Use ice. And then now you're gonna come back here, and then now you're gonna use these. And you're gonna box yourself up. It's better if you're littler. So and then you're gonna launch your boat, and then look, you could just like fly like that, never die, like it's super good. But don't try to get out the map, because then you can't do it. Oh my god, it's glitching. So some tips to use this: just get like a really small avatar, because it would not work if it's like super hard with the tall avatar. And do not try to hit any like rocks, because then it wouldn't work. And that's the video. Bye, guys.